Devo, this shit hard.
She want the new Celine. She gotta give me some throat. Nobody cold as me. I got my clear on my coat. Teal gon' shoot. Trust me, I know that's my bro. Off-white boots. You can't get these from the store.
I was gonna take your bitch, but I look at her page. That bitch not my type. We got shooters all around the state. Fuck nigga, we don't fight. I turn pussy nigga to a John Doe. Stay with it now like I'm Rondo. I ain't got no heart. We gon' fuck for fun though. Kill you and your kin folks. Bitch, I'm smoking big dope. My gun is illegal. This is a stendo. Shooters out the window.
Shooters in the back, we can never lack. Made a couple racks, times a rack, times a rack. I just made 100 bands, finna blow this shit in sacks. Blowing on the pack, we be getting high. Fuck with T.O., swear to God you'll die. First class seats when we moving through the sky. Flew out to Dubai, cost a lot of moolah. Rich nigga shit, we be moving alright. Rolls Royce Wraith with the white star light. No time for a wife, all these hoes getting piped. Beat the pussy like Ike, you cannot stay the night. Got a Glock with a beam. Really, I don't gotta aim. I fucked on her once. Now she is going insane. She know how I get. Baby, I cannot get cuffed. She wanna know more. I think I told her too much.
How the fuck can you tell me you need me? Then just leave me. Drop see me, these niggas can't see me. These niggas wanna be me. These real bullets, not BBs. My chain is VV. Yo bitch wanna fuck, she a slut. Couple years me and Moo had it rough. This pussy ass nigga acting tough. This nigga not cut. I had my niggas pull up.
3 shots to the gut.
Fuck that nigga, ain't for the head.
So you want the nigga dead?
Yeah, nigga, I said what I said.
Nigga, what about the feds? She want the new Celine. She gotta give me some throat. Nobody cold as me. I got my clear on my coat. Teal gon' shoot. Trust me, I know that's my bro. Off-white boots. You can't get these from the store.